contact with law enforcement on both sides, and we have some contingency plans should it escalate and actually spill over into the United States.
There have been reports that the U.S. had considered the possibility of having a surge on the border, maybe even involving U.S. military personnel.
Well, that would be certainly a last resort because civilian law enforcement is obviously what would be called on first.
The power of Mexico's drug cartels has already spread far beyond the border. Just this week, the Justice Department announced they'd arrested more than 700 people in the U.S. connected to just one cartel.
These cartels are not just operating in Mexico, their reach stretches far and wide.
Mexican traffickers are operating in some 230 American cities, according to the Justice Department, and they're now considered the #1 organized crime threat in the United States. You're seeing drug cartel involvement in Anchorage, Alaska, in South Dakota, in Atlanta, in New York City.
Right. That's why I say the United States has a real stake in this. We have a stake in it at that level, that they're selling drugs. These drugs are being distributed throughout our cities, our communities, our neighborhoods. So this issue in Mexico, this very brave battle that the president of Mexico is fighting, is something that every American has a stake in.
It affects all of us.
Yes.